Hello and welcome to another update on XRP. Here on the XRP chart, we are still looking at a potential 5-wave move up from the April low. I mean, good news is XRP likely bottomed there in this larger degree wave 4. We have from the low a 5-wave pattern to the upside. That's exactly what we wanted to see to be able to confirm that a low formed in April. That's the assumption. The pullback presented and still presents, in my view, an opportunity because it looks like a corrective 3-wave pullback. And in that 3-wave pullback, we could currently be working on wave. We might have completed it actually. That's the idea at the moment. It's just not enough action from the low to really give me confidence that a low has formed. So we're waiting here for the next 5-wave move up to actually be able to formally confirm that. But we have a 3-wave move down, and as I said, in that C wave of the decline, we have a 5-wave move, and that's precisely what we need to see to be able to confirm that a low is potentially in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least as a first indication. So it looks like the move down completed with all the waves it needed. We also hit the standard support zone, which is defined here between $2.06 and $1.79. The $2.06 level is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. That's kind of the first ideal level here of our support area. So very happy with that. It reacted to it nicely. But as I explained to you yesterday, we don't really have a very clear 5-wave move up. We could still be working on a 4th. This is just not clearly a 5th wave yet. We have not even broken above the high. So I'm tracking here for a potential 5-wave move. I'm showing you how 5 waves to the upside would look like. But in my view, it needs to get one more high. And then, then we have at least 5 waves up from the low. That puts me into the position to put another support area onto the chart for, what would be the wave 2 pullback. And that next move up could then take us higher in a 3rd wave, and that's how it would build the upside momentum. For now, this could also still be part of the blue count, and we might get one more low. But essentially, these are the same scenario. It's the same scenario. Very, very, very similar outcome. Actually, the same outcome because, remember, this is the support area that needs to hold to keep the bullish thesis alive. It's between $1.79 and $2.06. And the idea is, as long as we're holding that 179 level, the focus could be on higher prices. Now, whether we already bottomed or not really doesn't matter as long as we're holding $1.79, at least not from a structural point of view. Of course, if you're focused very much on these smallest movements, it will matter. So, but then again, the 5th of June low here can be a substantial low. I mean, it's just that we don't have enough evidence from the low to confirm that. What I'd like to see to confirm that further is one more high. That gives us 5 waves up and that's very important, 3 waves down, because only if the pullback afterwards is corrective, we actually have further evidence. We have 2 degrees of confirmation that a low formed, because 5 waves up alone will not be enough. Because it could still be part of from a wave count point of view, this blue wave 4 could be a flat correction, A, B, C, and then one more low. So there will be a support area here that will help us distinguish between the blue and the orange scenario. Not really impressed by price action from the low, but we'll see. I mean, as I said yesterday, I'm starting to lean to the idea, or actually I'm leaning to the idea that a bottom has formed. But it's not really important what I'm leaning to. What is important, what are the levels doing? Do we have 5 waves up? Are we holding above support? And I don't have enough price action and structure from that Thursday low to be really confident about it. But I'll keep you updated. Obviously, that's why we're tracking those microstructures. I keep you updated. Hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.